Hello. In this video, we will go over the activity, a Venn experiment. Our goal for this activity is to help students learn how Venn diagrams work. The activity will be a total of 50 minutes with 3 parts. However, in this video, I'll go over the part 1, which is a Venn experiment. The materials you'll need are a mini whiteboard, pens, and counters. This first part will be a warm-up for the total activity. There are 4 goals for mentors to think about in this activity. The first one is how to approach a set of representations in a game-like activity for students. Secondly, we want to allow students' voices and choices to be a large part of the activity. Thirdly, we want to check how students are talking and thinking with logic. For instance, are they using logic operators of and, not, or to prepare what is next to come? And finally, if there is time, we want to ask for different representations of the Venn diagram. Let's go over how the activity will work. Each teammate or mentor will think of anyone else that is not at the table. For instance, this is me. This person can be a family, friend, family member, hero, just anyone who's not sitting at the table. I thought of Kirby. What this means is our universe will consist of us and our imaginary or real person. So if we are 4 people and we think about 4 additional people, that's 8 people in our universe. The general formula for this would be 2n persons or 2n elements. Mentors should create a common list of all the names for everyone to see. So back to my example. Now that you've thought about one other person, brainstorm 3 properties of people. This could be something like Spanish speaking, liking K-pop, liking strawberries. Avoid anything that's too judgmental, general, or hard to verify, such as friendly, forgetful, and boring. Put that on the big diagram that will be given. For me, I thought of speaking English, having short hair, and can fly. The next step is to classify everyone into these Venn diagrams. For me, I have short hair and I can speak English. Therefore, I'm in between B and A. For Kirby, he doesn't know how to speak English and he has no hair, but he can fly. So he only fits in C. Basically, we want to do this for everyone in our universe. These are the imaginary people who other folks might think about. So we have Superman in the middle because he has short hair, speaks English, and can fly. We have Hermione, who speaks English and can fly on a broom, who speaks English, but she can't really fly and she doesn't have short hair. We have Steve from Minecraft, who has short hair and he can fly in creative mode, but he doesn't really speak. We have the main character from Squid Game, who is Korean, so he doesn't quite speak English in the movie, but he has short hair and he can't fly. Now, some people might not fit any of the categories that you created. These people can be outside the sets, such as Among Us. He can't speak English, he does not have short hair, and they don't quite fly. After all of your students are able to take turns placing people in different categories, ask the following questions. First, how many regions, sets, or categories of people do you see? Discuss the outcome. What do you notice? Where do people fall in most with the categories? Where are the regions that are most crowded? Where are the ones that are least crowded? Allow your students to modify or change up the experiment. It's okay. This is a learning activity for them to learn about Venn diagrams and categories.